even before he joined Idol Philippines. It's funny because isa sa mga parang isa sa mga like parang sobrang yung pinaka like nakilala ko talaga si Lance was when I did Bolt of Talent na nag-co-host po ako for Mr. Michael Bolton. Thank you for the crown. And nag-co-host po ako for Mr. Michael Bolton. And then, pero before then pala, nag-cross na yung paths namin ni Lance. I did my very first stages session sa Coffee Bean po. And si Lance yung nag-open pala for me. So, sobrang kaba ko nun. Wala akong naalala masyado. But I do remember that Lance, parang there was that guy opening for me and sobrang galing Lance. Grabe Lance. And then after then, nag-cross po yung paths namin. And I didn't know. Nag-cross yung paths namin for Bolt of Talent. And then Lance won and in Bolt of Talent. He's now a protege of Mr. Michael Bolton lang naman. And then after nun, yun na. He won that and then he joined Idol Philippines. Kaya, amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, it's back to requests, guys. Are you ready? Okay na po ba? How's this? Okay na po ba yung sound natin? Let me know. Okay lang po yung sound, guys. Baka naman may pag-gifts kayo dyan. Kahit Malacanang palas lang. Wow lang! Nilang! Okay, back to requests. Let's see. Okay. May nabigyan na Malacanang palas! Thank you! Maraming salamat! Thank you! Sino po ba nag-send nun? Do I get to see? I don't know how. Okay, requests. Okay, back to request. Get ready, guys. So, ang secret para mabasa po yung request nyo, antayin nyo pong hindi ako tumutugtog because I am straightforward focusing on life. Okay. Request. I'll leave at the door. Won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know. So why don't we just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming next. We're scared of having nothing left looked on. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me your memory I can use. Take me by the hand while we do lovers do. It matters how we say. Cause what if I never left again? May hugot naman kayo dyan. Thank you! Maraming salamat. Meron ako nabasa para daw sa boyfriend niya. Oh, let's do it. Ano bang gusto niyo? Guys, anong favorite Taylor Swift songs niyo? There is a request. Gusto niyo yung Taylor Swift for syempre walang lalabas, di ba? What's a nice Taylor Swift song? Let's see. Uy, gaganda naman ako na request niyo. Let's see. Meron ako nakita. Isa din sa mga favorite ko. Sige. Yun na lang. Because it's for somebody's Joe's. Okay. Let's see. Ang baba. Wait. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashbacks starts. We're standing there on a balcony somewhere. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. I'm not sure if mahahanap ko yung words. I remember singing this when I was in Italy for ASAP. Let's see if I can remember because this is a very, very complicated song. But when I heard the version of Pentatonix, I'm crazy. My old friend, Baba, I've come to talk with you again because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. The sound of silence. Baba. Wait, taasan nga natin para naman makakanta tayo ng mayos, no? In the naked light I saw people writing songs that voices never share. No train, no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Thank you for the food. Grabe. Food Panda times 69, 70, 3, 4, 5. 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 85, 19, 94, 67, 100! God, dami nyo naman pa Food Panda dyan! 120, 124, 130, 130! Hoy, 130 na! Kay Clyde Jaramillo! Thank you for the many Food Panda! Pabuti nyo naman 200 yan. Oh! Magkano ba yung equivalent ng Food Panda? 200! Merry Christmas! Maraming salamat! Wow, thank you too. Thank you so much for that. Wow. Grabe, napasubok ako dun sa Sound of Silence. Ang baba. Di ako Ito yung kanina. Ito yung sabi nung internet. Parang Capo 6 lang siya. Yes, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Baba, thank you. Okay, ito. Let's go to a song that is often sung when it's videoke time. Okay. Ay, hindi ito. Ano ulit yung request na yun? Very. The second wave of the bathroom break has come. Wow, thank you for the Tanduay, sorry, my brand. Thank you for the red horse. Pulang kabay. Pulang manok. Manok na pula. Okay. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never love your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I want the bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find what you're looking for has been here the whole time, and I can see that I'm the one who understands you when you're all alone. So why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me. If you could see, oh, I remember you were driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry, and all your favorite songs, and you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong. Think I know it's with me. Everybody, can you see that I'm the one who understands you when you're all alone? So why can't you see you belong with me? Ay, wait lang, natapos yung chords. If you can see that